In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create formulas in Google Sheets using AI. This is an exciting new feature that Google Sheets has rolled out, called the Gemini Companion Panel. Before we dive into utilizing this tool, it's important to note that access is granted once you've signed up for the Google Workspace Labs. It's a simple process, offering you the opportunity to explore innovative features being tested and developed within Google's productive ecosystem. Once you've enrolled in Google Workspace Labs and gained access, you're all set to explore creating formulas with the help of AI in Google Sheets. Let's dive into a practical example to see just how useful this tool can be. We'll be creating a formula for the Pythagorean theorem, a fundamental formula in mathematics, widely known for its application in calculating the sides of right triangles. To begin, open your Google Sheets and navigate to the Gemini Companion panel. Here you'll have a powerful AI tool at your fingertips, ready to assist you in formulating and calculating complex equations. To create the Pythagorean theorem formula, you'll type in the prompt, "Create the Pythagorean theorem." The AI analyzes this request, and in an instant, it provides the corresponding formula suitable for your Google Sheets. Once the formula is generated, you have two options on how to proceed. You can manually copy the formula and place it into your sheet, or, more conveniently, you can press Insert directly in the panel. This will automatically place the formula into your spreadsheet for you. This seamless integration allows you to focus more on your analysis, rather than formatting and typing out formulas manually. After the formula is inserted into your sheet, you're ready to customize it according to your specific needs. You can either input the appropriate values into the cells that the formula references, or, if necessary, adjust the cell references themselves to match your dataset. This flexibility enhances the efficiency of your work, saving you time and reducing the chance of human error in transcribing formulas. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully created and integrated a formula using the AI in Google Sheets. Harnessing the power of AI for such tasks not only boosts your productivity, but also opens up new possibilities for tackling more complex calculations and analyses without the usual hassle. So, take advantage of this cutting-edge technology, enhance your spreadsheets, and see how AI can transform the way you work on Google Sheets.